Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to access Bing AI chat without a waitlist. So after watching this video you will be able to start using Bing AI chat immediately. The first thing you need to do is download the Microsoft Edge on your device, guys. Most likely if you are using the Windows you already have the Microsoft Edge. Just go to Windows, type Microsoft Edge in the search bar. You will find the Microsoft Edge browser on your Windows, but if you don't have it you need to write in the search bar. It doesn't matter, you can write it in Bing or you can write it in Google. Download Microsoft Edge, and you should open the first link here, and here you can see you can download the Edge browser for Windows, for macOS, for iOS, and for Android, guys. So we are installing this browser on our device because Bing AI chat is only available on Microsoft Edge at the moment, guys. After you will install the Microsoft Edge browser on your device, then you should go to bing.com. And the next thing to do is create the Microsoft account. We need to have Microsoft account to start using the Bing AI tool. So in the top right corner you see the sign in button. You need to click this sign in button, and here will be the button create one. So you should click this. Here you should enter your email address, then click next. Enter your password, click next. Enter your name and last name, enter your country, enter the birth date, and click next. After that you should verify the email. So go to your email, copy this code and go back to the Edge browser, paste this code and click next. And verification is complete. We created the Microsoft account. Now we can start using the Bing chat. So to use Bing chat you can click this chat button in the top menu. You can see here, click this chat button and this kind of pop-up will appear on your screen. Here you can see the button join the waitlist, so you need to click this button and then this message appears: you are in, welcome to the new Bing, guys. So we entered to Bing AI chat without a waitlist, and now we can start using it. Just click chat now and start using the Bing AI chat. Just say hello to it and start your conversation. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for us, and don't forget to subscribe. And in the end I will remind you that Bing chat is using GPT-4 language model. Thank you and see you in the next video.